Oh.
Tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I will be giving in my business. And I'll take a stop it with my intervention. Break confidence again, my war. To win some man to learn some more. I won't hesitate. No more, it cannot win. I'm sure. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love. Listen to the music for a moment, baby, sing with me. I love peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, love. Well, I won't hesitate no more.
Probably in the back cooking. Let's give him a big hand. Not a stage for donating your time and not here to entertain tonight. So far, you're awesome. And then, okay, so they're going to do some entertainment, like wine and dancing for us. So let's give these things a hand. All right, so keep this in an orderly fashion. We're going to have to pick one side of the room to go up first for food. So to be fair, I didn't know how else to do it. We can flip the order, we can have some seats who's allowed us through. So who's allowed us to get seats first? Does this sound good? Alright. So is this side of the room, or this, we'll do it like this. Is this side of the room hungry?
Son, I knew it.
Even in
Vanapple.
Okay? Alright. We also have a Visa gift card for $25. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do $2 per raffle ticket. And Monica, she's going to have the raffle tickets and there'll be some ladies going around. So $2 per ticket. We got some shirts, we got a blanket, and a Visa gift card. Okay, you guys got that? Alright. Let's have the band going to come back on. Let's give these guys a big round of applause. Loki's looks.
Tried to reach you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I will be giving in my business. And I'll take all the stuff with my intervention. Break confidence again, my door. To win some man to learn some more. I won't hesitate. Listen to the music for a moment.